I am absolutely living for everything about this unit. Like, do you see this slayage that's going on here? Like, I feel like a basketball wife. Like, I feel like you cannot tell me anything in this hair. You keep rolling your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See, figure out you remain afloat. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload old units, new units, everyday slays, wig updates, and everything in between. So today, girl, I know you see the slays that is on my head. This is going to be the unit that I'm going to be reviewing for you today, and I am absolutely in love. This one is from the Outre collection. I'm wearing it in the style Julianne in the color number 1B. So if you're interested in seeing the specs on this unit and how I got it to look like this, just stay tuned for this video.
Tell me why you gotta be like that. Gotta be like that. Ring around the rosy is the game you play. Sing around the lonely in the same old way. Thought I found my only, it's a shame to say. Got around a phony and got burned by flame. Turning in circles is hurtful and but I got off the ride. I swallow blood for I swallow my pride. Follow my gut for I follow my mind. All of the fighting, denying and lies. All of the hiding and crying inside. I try but now the tears are all dry. And I'll be alright because I'll take it in stride. Ring around the rosy with a pocket full of posies. Lonely hope and I'm not the only. Ashes falling down. We all come crashing to the ground. Burning my bridges with matches in hand. Learning my stitches are ashes from plans. Scratches from past when I couldn't withstand. Walking on fire and drowning in sand. Down in the sadness I found in the madness. The ground is the flattest when I am alone. Bound to the badness inside of my bones. Sounds of Damascus decide where I roam. Failure is practice, refining my growth. Tailored my axes, adaptive I rose. Back from the ashes and gases and clothes. Black from the lashes of all of the foes. Ring around the rosy with a pocket full of posies. Lonely hope and I'm not the only. Ashes falling down. We all come crashing to the ground. Ring around the rosy with a pocket full of posies. Lonely hope and I'm not the only. Ashes falling down. We all come crashing to the ground. Make me or break me and find either way. Shake me or take me, I'm falling away. Hate me, inflate me, I'll try to convey. Lately my safety has wandered away.
Okay guys, so the cap construction on this unit, you do get your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, an adjustable band, as well as your adjustable straps. This is a 13x6 HD lace unit. It does come pre-plugged with your baby hairs, and honey, I am absolutely living for everything about this unit. Like, do you see this slayage that's going on here? Like, I feel like a basketball wife. Like, I feel like you cannot tell me anything in this hair. I am absolutely loving this. This only took me like maybe 10 minutes to get it to look like this. Like, I did not have to finesse and play around with the hair. Like, look at this. This is just like effortlessly beautiful. Like, this is one I am not trying to run my hands through because like it is gorgeous, if you dig what I'm saying. Like, the length on this unit comes just above my boobs. I'm loving it. Supernatural length. The density on it, I want to say at the top it's much fuller. It feels like it's closer to 150 to 180, and at the bottom it sort of thins out and gets natural, but it's not super thin. I just feel like it gives it a supernatural vibe. I am absolutely all here for it. The texture on it is definitely giving me like Yaki vibes. Girl, honey, baby, sweetie. Like, I went and picked this unit up again just because I had a feeling I was going to be into it, but like, if I knew I was going to like it this much, girl, I would have went and picked up multiple more of them, if you dig what I'm saying. Outre, you are seeing it right now with this HD lace, honey. Yes, especially for us brown skinned girls, Outre, you did not come to play. I feel like I probably could have went in and made it look a little bit better. Like, and if I go outside, which I will in this unit, I'm gonna make it look just a little bit better. Maybe pluck it out a little bit more and use fewer baby hairs. But honestly, girl, this is what you throw on, and like, it does not matter. Like, you came to slay, you came to play. This is definitely a throw on and go type of unit. Like, even if you threw it on with no part, no nothing, like, all the slays, the lays, like, girl. So let me just give y'all the 360 of what it's looking like. So to be honest, after a lot of the units that I've tried, I have to say, me being a brown skin girl, one of the companies that I think I absolutely love the most is going to have to be Outre. I feel like initially I was into the new Sensational HD lace collection, but I feel like Outre has always kind of had that more brown lace that is tinted more towards girls of my skin tone. So if you're a girl of my skin tone, I think that you should go up and pick up some of these Outre units, because honey, they did not come to play. Like, hello, where you going? Don't matter. You know what I mean? Like, I'm living for this here, you guys. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys liked it as much as I did. If you did, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up in any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.